The Ultimate Guide: How to Get Investors for Real Estate Projects. Introduction. Real estate is one of the most sought-after industries for both new and seasoned investors, and for a good reason. It offers consistent income streams, potential for high returns, and the appeal of tangible assets. However, launching real estate projects, whether it's a residential development, commercial property, or even a mixed-use space, often requires significant upfront capital that is difficult to secure without the right connections, knowledge, and approach. One of the biggest challenges for aspiring real estate developers and entrepreneurs is how to attract investors who can provide this crucial funding. Most people in real estate experience this pain point at one time or another. They have a project with great potential but lack the funds to turn it into reality. The question becomes, how do you convince others to invest their money in your vision? How do you differentiate yourself in a crowded market where every developer and entrepreneur is pitching ideas? This challenge brings many developers to a standstill, especially those new to the field or those who may have an incredible idea but lack an established reputation. Many are left feeling frustrated, overwhelmed, and unsure of how to bridge the gap between vision and reality. To make matters worse, the investment world is often perceived as being difficult to navigate, filled with unwritten rules, hidden networks, and well-guarded secrets. The solution. This guide offers a step-by-step approach to unlocking the tools, strategies, and insider knowledge you need to attract investors for real estate projects. We'll uncover industry secrets, discuss how to build credibility even without a long track record, and help you understand how to position yourself as the kind of investment opportunity that appeals to high net worth individuals, venture capital firms, private equity funds, and institutional investors. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to securing real estate investors so that you can bring your projects to life, scale your business, and unlock a future of success in one of the world's most dynamic and lucrative industries. Part 1. The mindset shift: why investors are more than just funding. Before you reach out to potential investors, there's an important mindset shift to make. Investors are more than just a financial resource. They're strategic partners who can bring additional value to your project beyond the capital. By seeking investors who also have industry experience, connections, and a strong interest in real estate, you not only gain access to funds, but also benefit from their insights, contacts, and credibility. Part 2. Know your project inside out. Be your own expert. Investors are rarely interested in vague, high-level concepts. They want to see concrete numbers, realistic projections, and a clear understanding of the market landscape. That means knowing every detail of your project. Be ready to answer in-depth questions about your market analysis, projected cash flows, construction timelines, and contingency plans. This preparation goes a long way in building confidence with potential investors. When you can confidently address every possible question, you establish yourself as an authority, and investors are far more likely to trust your vision and execution. The essentials. Market analysis. Investors need to know you understand your target market. Financial projections. Show the estimated return on investment and break-even point. Project milestones and timeline. Give a detailed timeline that includes construction, occupancy, and expected revenue streams. Risk mitigation plans. Highlight any potential risks and how you plan to manage them. Part 3. The pitch. Crafting an irresistible presentation. A powerful pitch is one of the most critical aspects of attracting investors. The goal is to create a presentation that is clear, captivating, and highlights the benefits for the investor. Remember, investors are bombarded with pitches every day, so yours has to stand out. Key components. Tell a story. Investors resonate with stories. Describe what inspired your project, how it meets a real market need, and your long-term vision. Highlight investor benefits. Talk about what makes your project unique and why it's a golden opportunity. Include specifics like projected returns, exit strategies, and timelines. Showcase your team. Investors need to know they're backing a capable team. Highlight the experience, skills, and past successes of your team members. Part 4. Building your network. Finding and connecting with potential investors. Your next step is building a network of potential investors, but this can be one of the most challenging parts. While venture capital firms, private equity firms, and high net worth individuals are prime targets, reaching them requires a strategic approach. Where to find investors? Real estate networking events. These events are gold mines for meeting potential investors. Online platforms, websites like LinkedIn and investment-focused platforms can be useful for finding investors. Investment firms. Reach out to real estate investment firms, private equity firms, and venture capitalists specializing in property projects. Industry conferences and seminars. Attend industry events to learn, network, and potentially find investors looking for new opportunities. Building relationships. Establishing relationships before pitching is often more effective. Investors prefer to work with people they know or who have been recommended by a trusted connection. Start by reaching out to investors without pushing for funding immediately. Instead, ask for advice, share your passion, and learn from their insights. Building trust first can lead to a more natural, mutually beneficial investment partnership. Part 5. Structuring deals that attract investors. The structure of your investment deal can be a major factor in enticing investors. It's crucial to create terms that are both attractive to the investor and feasible for you. Equity partnerships. Investors own a share of the project and receive a portion of the profits. Debt financing. Investors loan you money for a fixed return, making it easier for you to retain full ownership. Hybrid structures. A mix of equity and debt financing can appeal to different investor preferences. Work with a legal advisor and financial expert to design a deal structure that suits your project's needs while providing investors with attractive returns. The more clearly you lay out the terms, risks, and benefits, the more confidence potential investors will have in your offer. In today's digital age, a strong online presence can be an unexpected advantage when trying to secure investors. Investors often research potential partners online before making decisions, so having a well-maintained, professional online presence can enhance your credibility and visibility. Tips for building a digital presence. Creatia. Professional website. This website should showcase past projects, highlight your team, and clearly present your current project. LinkedIn. An active LinkedIn profile allows you to connect with investors, industry leaders, and potential partners. Content marketing. Publish articles or blog posts on real estate trends, investment tips, or your project journey. Attracting investors for real estate projects often takes time and persistence. A single no isn't the end, it's an opportunity to learn and improve your approach. Keep in touch with potential investors, even those who initially passed on your project. Keep them updated on any new developments, as progress might sway their interest. Personalized messages. Avoid generic follow-ups. Tailor each message based on past conversations and specific investor interests. Show progress. Sharing progress instills confidence and demonstrates your dedication to your project. In conclusion, securing investors is about building value, trust, and opportunity. Attracting investors for real estate projects is a journey that requires patience, preparation, and persistence. By focusing on creating a solid business case, refining your pitch, building relationships, and establishing a strong presence, you'll maximize your chances of securing the funds necessary to make your vision a reality. Real estate investment is competitive, but the potential rewards make it worth the effort. With this guide, you're equipped with a roadmap to navigate the complexities of finding investors. Start by fully understanding your project, then put your networking skills to work. Structure appealing deals and maintain a consistent online presence. Before you know it, you'll not only have the funding you need, but will have built a network of trusted partners for future projects as well. Embrace the challenge, trust the process, and let this guide be your secret weapon. As you venture into the rewarding world of real estate investment,